Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the pinball shop of Victor's Variety Channel. We're doing a retheme project here on this pinball machine. We got a Bally cabinet. We have Williams F14 playfield and Zachariah electronics. So yeah, we got an interesting project going on here, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the cabinet wiring, and and how simple it is, and it's probably one of the easiest parts of this project. So we have installed the harness here, just running down the side, and no big deal. We keep it nice and neat. Let me get a little light on there for you. And everything's marked. So you have your left flipper button, right flipper button, and then this is going to the coin door. There's 7 wires between these 2 harnesses that go into that coin door. You have your start button to start a game. You have your credit button, or when you drop a coin in, to ring up credits. You have a few little lights, where you dropped quarters in. And also on this with the Zachariah, I have 3 wires to change the settings on the CPU. So, if you want to do a 3-ball game or a 5-ball game, you can change between the 2. And there's a little switch in the coin door, which I don't have yet. I need a Bally coin door, and I'm not paying $200. So we're working on that. But so your harnesses come here, and of course they come up to the cabinet. These are the transformer wires. Transformer will be mounted in this area. These go to the switch, the power switch. See the white cable? All the way around, right down here to here. So we can turn the power on and off. And this here is from the outlet plug. So yeah, we'll switch this before we come into there. This is the output for the transformer. And then these come up into the box. And yeah, keep your harnesses nice and neat looking. You don't need a spaghetti bowl. It doesn't take a lot to get them nice and pretty looking. I know you can do it. Do no junk. And so yeah, they come up here into the back box. I have everything labeled. This one here you see is for the 3 test wires, and I see that CN10 says it goes to connector 10, obviously right here on the CPU, CN10. So one of these pins will receive the 3 wires from here. Also, I think there's a couple other wires in there. Not sure. No, I think it's just a spare. And then here's for the flipper buttons. I happen to know they go into connector 2 on the power supply board. So how do I know that? Well, you can come here to the Zachariah schematic. Here's your flipper buttons. Boom, boom. And what's that say right there? CN2. And so we know it goes CN2 pins 6, 2, and 5. It's I think you can see that. So yeah, it's relatively straightforward, very simple. That's why I didn't film me doing all of this, but wanted to give you a little update. This is for the coin switch and the start button. It also goes into CN10 on the CPU. And what else do I have on here? flipper buttons. Oh, the speaker. Speaker comes up here to those 2 pins on the sound card. Oh, simple, real simple connections. You know, they're 2-point connections. You know, probably if you don't, I don't want to discourage you, but if you're if you're not capable of wiring a light switch in your kitchen, you probably have some learning to do, and you can learn it. Electricity is not as complicated as people think. So yeah, got the speaker hooked up here. Special speaker, 4 ohm, 5 to 10 watt. You gotta keep that right or you're gonna get hums. So you can look here on the Zaccaria, it takes a 4 ohm, 7 watt speaker. And I should have put CN6. I actually know pins 5 and 6. I know where this is up there. I just know what that connection is. Okay, and so we're going to start on the play field probably next week sometime. And I had to kind of go through this. I have to learn the Williams F14 Tomcat layout before I really get into this. I mean, you know, Williams used resistor banks on a lot of their lighting. And I mean, look, here's a diode board here. I don't know, some relays. So I have to look. This is broke. This doesn't look good here, does it? And so we have to kind of go through this, see what we need, what we don't need. Look at that. You know, we'll get it all squared away. And but I think on this game, I think some of these relays may do some of this. I see some electronics in here. I don't see any chips that would make the lights do the roundy round. If you've ever seen a Williams F14, I mean, the lights go woo, 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 all that groovy stuff. Well, we'll see if we can incorporate some of that into this project or not. But you know, basically, you got two wires for every light bulb, two wires for every coil, and 2 wires for every switch. You know, and you know, they're all the same electrically, kind of. You know, except for a few little flashy components. All right, so that's gonna do it, and we'll start on this woo 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 next week. Hey, have a great day.